Hi, welcome to the numeracy 5 a day for the 22nd of April. So first of all, we're going to work out 938 plus 93. So 938 plus 93. Lining them up in columns. 8 plus 3 is 11, so put the 1 down, carry the 1. 3 plus 9 is 12, plus 1 is 13, so put the 3 down, carry the 1. And 9 plus 1 is 10. So the answer would be 1031. Our next question says 600 take away 352. So 600 subtract 352. Lining them up. So we're going to need to 0 take away 2, we can't do, so we're going to need to borrow. But it's a 0, so we'll borrow from the 6, call that a 5, and then that's 10. Borrow from the 10, so that's a 9, and then that's 10. 10 take away 2 is 8, 9 take away 5 is 4, and 5 take away 3 is 2. So the answer would be 248. Okay, our next question is a multiplication question. So we've got 347 multiplied by 7. So 7 times 7 is 49, so put the 9 down, carry the 4. 7 times 4 is 28, plus 4 is 32, so put the 2 down, carry the 3. And 7 times 3 is 21, plus 3 is 24. So the answer would be 2,429. And our next question is 28 multiplied by 63. So 63 multiplied by 28. So we're going to multiply the 63 by 8. We're going to multiply the 63 by 20 and then add them together. So 8 times 3 is 24, so put the 4 down, carry the 2. 8 times 6 is 48, plus 2 is 50. So that's 504. And next we're going to multiply 63 by 20, so put the 0 down. 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times 6 is 12. So that would be 1,260, and then adding them together would give us 4 plus 0 is 4, 0 plus 6 is 6, 5 plus 2 is 7, and 1. So the answer would be 1,763. Our next question says round 2,983 to the nearest 10. So if we consider the multiples of 10, the multiple of 10 just beneath this number would be 2,980, and the multiple of 10 above that number would be 2,990. So we need to consider where 2,983 would be. So in the middle would be 2,985, that's the midpoint of those two numbers. So 83 would be there, 2,983, so it's closer to 2,980. Okay, our next question. So our next question says 50 people attended a wedding and 21 had pork. So let's put that in, 21 had pork. 50% of the guests had chicken, so that's half of them, and there's 50 altogether. So if we do 50 divided by 2, we get 25. So that's 25 had chicken. And the same number of guests had beef as vegetarian meals. And so let's work out what these two numbers are. So we've got 25 and 21. So if we add those two together, we get 46. So 50 take away 46 would leave us with 4 guests, and the same number had beef as vegetarian. So that's going to be 2 each. And let's just check it. 2 plus 25 is 27, plus 21 would be 48, plus 2 is 50. Okay, our first question says, what fraction of the guests had pork? So it's 21 50ths. And our next question says, what fraction of the guests had beef? So that's 2 50ths. But I'm going to cancel that down to 1 25th.